The Igbo traders in Lagos, those set to go, they will destroy your businesses. After that, they will take over your houses. When I make open both for them, I want you to be writing down what I'm saying.
Let me just give you these 2 key points. Just hold this and be observing. You see this demolition that is ongoing in Lagos State, where the Igbos are doing their business. This demolition that is ongoing is indirect way of rendering Igbos irrelevant in Nigeria business space. They are gradually rendering Igbos irrelevant when it comes to Nigeria business space. 2, it is now clear that Igbos are no longer valued and respected and even welcome in Nigeria business space. By what you are hearing, if it be true that the places that they are demolishing, that China has bought it, it means that China are now welcomed, and most of those businesses or those parts or whatever that are being imported from China will now have assembling ground where those things will be either be producing or be assembling and make it easier for them. Where most of the Yorubas and even the Northerners will now be incorporated into the business, Igbos will now be rendered irrelevant. Most of those business will no longer even be effective in the hands of the Igbos if time is not taken. Ndi Igbo are busy saying Lagos is no man's land. Actually, Lagos is somebody's land. Somebody owns the land, and that land belongs to the Yorubas, who are the indigenous of that land. You are only there for your business. You say that it is no man's land because different people live in there running their business. But as it stands today, the owners or even people who believe, who claim that they are owners, they are part of the Lagos, have come to take over. It's not just about that, but it is time up for Ndi Igbo. It is time up. So, the best we can do for ourselves began to relocate back home to establish our business. I know what I'm saying. Yes, Igbos are good in their business, but the problem, what led Igbos into this very irrelevancy that they are trying to put them into today is that we are being overhyped. We even overhyped ourselves. Igbos are businessmen. Igbos are wise people. Igbos are the ones. Igbos are that. Igbos are nation builders. Igbos are nation developers. And we go about building, developing, building, leaving our own home empty without nothing. The prodigal sons. The prodigal son. Though the prodigal son in the Bible even realized his mistake and returned back home to his father. This is a call for every Igbo son to return back home. We know that home is not that safe as it stands, but yet something can be done. With our collective effort, we can put the security on ground, both physical and spiritual security. If we don't want to remain this irrelevant in Nigeria business space and Nigeria at a large, we need to make the hair while the sun shines now. We need to make this bold step now before it gets too late. If not, we will lose it in total. You see, one of the reasons why they are doing all these things is that they have discovered that 99% of the Igbos doing business in Lagos don't even have any valuable property in their homeland. And they have discovered that we have a large property in Lagos. So, if anything happens, they will find it difficult to make any bold move to go. This is why they are doing what they are doing. But there's some morons, some mumu people won't understand. The game is on. It has been said, it has been designed, it has been programmed on what they want to use those areas to do. And gradually, they are coming for it. Gradually, they are coming to take over. So, Ndi Igbo, get sense now. Get sense now. It is even more better we'll find it together and we'll fight it together to get this home, this country of ours. Though it's not gonna be easy, but it is even more better you remain in your own home country than to die as a hero in another man's country. If we get it right now and get this land of ours and build it to the standard, these people will come over because they would like to affiliate with us. At that point, we began to make them irrelevant back. We began to pay them back because we got what it takes. We got what it takes. We got what it takes to be on top. So use your head.